Hi. Why is it so dark? Just so dark. Hi, Karina. Welcome. Well, I know I don't have proper lighting, but that still is dark. Darker than I expected. Well, actually, I can tweak exposure time, I guess, but it's not gonna help. Actually, my forget. Or doing this is gonna be annoying. はい、Nigel. Welcome. You're not first. Kavino claims first. Also, it is too loud. What did he press? War? You want a war? I think it's not even the first time Karina did this. Do I have... Wait, I don't think I have Kavino splashing. I only have Freedom Forge. So if Kavino rates me, that means nothing's gonna appear on the screen. I need to fix it. Yeah, I said I don't have that. By the way, a new browser, because Brave was freezing. Brave was dying. So yeah, we'll switch to that. See Freedom Forge Studios. Here. Yeah, cute browser. I think I can get used to it with enough muscle memory practice. What? Why? I'm not pressing anything. Here's my left hand. My right hand just controls the mouse. Why is it attracted to my cursor? You had terrible performance. I mean, I have a pretty good performance on it. I'd say I've looked for the most lightweight browser. So yeah, that's what I found. There was also like other browsers I considered, like Pale Moon, and I only choose I was only choosing between browsers present in NixOS. So Pale Moon is old, and it didn't even run Garbage Collector 3. It didn't support async.js for whatever reason. So yeah, anyway, Orco, I can remember. I think Qt browser is based on Chromium. Not sure. Again. Qt browser was struggling, huh? Well, I don't seem to notice anything. I mean, sometimes it's not smooth, but that's not. That's probably not because like the browser lags, but just animations are not proper. Oh, no, I don't think this is the case for me. Anyway, what should we do today? So we've got parsing stuff. So I guess we need to start doing like standard library stuff and other things. Simpler as. So where do I have hard-coded stuff? Oracle. Where can I be? HR. function. It's backend. Yeah, here. No, backend models. Here, right? Yeah, here I have hard-coded stuff. Now, what do I do? How do I provide print function so that it's easier? DFK after snapping first. Okay, so what's this thing? What's this mode? What's it like? Icon. Feels V. Feels V. What? There. Also, you might have noticed that now my cup is on the left side. And yeah, some changes here. Anyway. In Spain without the S. Anyway. So we need a function call. I guess let's just add that. So because it's useful, it's gonna be important. So I don't need that. So HAR expression. So we have body which has an expression. Okay. Flex, okay, dark. Sure. That reminds me of something. Again, highlighted properly, works properly. Like every time I just look at it. I just mixed up my J and K keys. I was confused for a second. Okay, so we've got our expression. So there's literal block and there's gonna be an instruction. Or like, let's say call. Let's say instruction. Or function call. How do I phrase a function call? I mean, I'd say call. It's not really a call. Well, actually, okay. So we have a literal. Well, we don't have a literal here. We'll have a call here. Sorry, function. So this is function. This is function. This is call. Functional expressions. Well, I don't know. Maybe let's do call. Not all. Call. We'll create call.rs and we'll go there. Okay. So we'll go there. We'll do struct call. Let me see how I do literal. Just clone debug and and make it public as well. The fact that my laptop is a few centimeters to the left. I'm just pressing wrong keys now. So here we have call. It's gonna have a function. Now, how do we store a function ID or something? So here we have. Where is it? What? How? How can this be the case? HAR moderate such what I need. How? So the function call is what I am starting with, because everything is a function call inside of. Even your addition operators are just function calls. Anyway, okay, so we have this. Now, how do I represent a function in a function call? I can do a handle, function handle, but then we're not gonna be able to call like functions from other modules. So ideally, I'd have a more generic handle that I would use. And the problem is I can't really delay this because it's handy. What do you mean? I know what handy is, but where did you see it? Use handy. Oh, that. Handy is a crate. So handy is not just a crate. Handy is a crate which allows typed handle maps, which is basically like a collection where I can insert stuff, and when I insert a thing, it gives me a key or a handle that's copyable. And using that handle later, I can see the value if it is present, or I could remove the value and now the handle is invalid, and I can get it and it's gonna return none. But so yeah, I just said there may be functions outside of the HIR thingy, so I might need to do something about it. What can I do about it? Need some form of a handle or an ID. It's not like this HIR specific. Which is gonna be problematic. Or I could split it like into two parts, which is left side is like crate ID or whatever module ID, and right side is like inner symbol ID. Actually, call maybe call. Do we say coolie? Right. Cool may call an arbitrary expression. So here we have a good expression. Oh, this feels like an error to me, to be honest, in this theme. So expression with quattro stuff. So I can do coolie a box of expression and call and args vec of expression. Now that's just Rust. So I see block. Put parse. We want that. Impl call. Set parse. Value is gonna be scene call. Expression call. So this. So a context. Okay, let me do this, and we'll remove that. So now, self. What do we have in the value? We have attributes, as always. Let's skip that. Function, which is a box of expression. Parents, possibly. Well, no, not possibly. Like, actually, just parents. And then we'll have expressions themselves. So I need to do value function being a box of expressions. So expression parse context and value, which is gonna be a reference to expression. So I can do as ref, or I can do this, probably it's gonna infer, right? Expected struct box found the num box this. Okay, right now I can do args, the value args iter map arg being expression. Okay, good. Now I just do expression parse arg. I pass in context. So collect that, and I think that's it. Yes, that's it. Now in the expression, where do we call here? Well, that's pretty boring. Content call parse context call. Change this to call. Try wrapping this in. Oh, yeah, into here. Now, probably want those to be like that. Silence those warnings because they're a bit annoying. Oh, and from call, I need to add that. From call, self call, value call. Now spans, yeah, spans are a bit annoying. Okay, I need calls so that I can actually like see what's happening. So eliminate a lot of warnings. Okay. Non-exhaustive pattern call. Non-exhaustive patterns call is not covered. Okay, field. What's that call? Ah, that's annoying. Anyway, self call, which is gonna be self call. Wait, call to build or something. Also, why is it here? Why is it not in like block.build? Builder function builder. Let's generate that. Okay. So do this. This is self. This is self. And now. Call builder. Let's just do that. Generate build method. So yeah, this is just a vector values. So self. Wait. Builder 0 ins call. Use that. Yeah, it's gonna be instant create, actually like create back and CL. Just a longer way of spelling it. Word is loud today. So yeah, call. We need a function ref. How do I get a function ref? Function call. Builder 0 call. Oh, wait. Ins function address, function ref to a value. No, that's not what I need. Function import function, external function data to certain function ref, append block params for function params, function returns. How do you call stuff? This will have a regular call. Have a ret. Indirect function call. Call indirect. Signature call. Okay, that's what I need. Table. Function point by call isn't given arguments. The call function must match the specified signature. Note that this is different from WebAssembly's call indirect. The call is a native address rather than a table index. For WebAssembly, table address and load are used to obtain native address from a table. That's loud. Okay, so like actually, Rust has some rules regarding identifiers. Regarding identifiers in a function. So when you call a function, it first tries to search for a function, and then if it's if it doesn't succeed, it's gonna search for the value. So for a variable, for example, for a closure, for example. Well, actually, I see closures might be different. So methods are different and closures are different. Call is an operator actually. You know what? Call is an operator, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna be doing this. Methods are just closures with no scope. Methods. Well, no methods. No, closures are methods. Closures are methods on a type that has the scope. Like if you some time ago I heard that in C++ there are lambdas, and I know that there are lambdas in C++, but some time ago I heard that lambdas in C++ actually compile to classes with overloaded operator, with overloaded call operator. So yeah, that's the thing. And now we need to handle operators here, ideally, because oh yeah, I do want some level of this. I don't know how to call it. So call is just an operator. I'm gonna name this to operator. Consider importing what? HCR expression operator. That's okay. So if I rename call to an operator for now. So call is gonna be operator, and we're gonna do call. How do I do this? I can do an enum of operators. I can do other stuff. I can do arbitrary stuff. I think I'm just gonna do operator kind, and it's gonna be clone copy debug, no default, partial eq, partial ord and hash. It's my typical list of derives except for default. But well, that's redundant default. Yeah, default. So just call, and calls has like n arguments, etc. Kind operator kind. It's not very clean and elegant, but I guess an args is just back of expression. I need call it. So I'm gonna do a new where's generate new here? Wow, that lagged a bit. Kind operator kind. No, I have to provide a kind, right? Kind. It's Rust Rust analyzer way just hard coded it. Okay, so call. So call is this. They have args. I need to somehow concatenate vectors. Or actually like prepend the vector with the vein. Actually that's an iterator. I can just do std iter once as this value, chain with this value, and then collect, and it's clean. Kind operator kind call. Okay, so I have all of this as public. Maybe I shouldn't. When build is public, great. I want build to be regularly public. Yes, for sure, or Reddit for sure. So all of this should probably be public. HIR, that's public, right? That's public, that's public. Expression is public, parse and build are public. From implementations, well, sure. Should be an operator. What? Operator here. Now I want to see literal and block. Well, yes, yeah, block. Just all fields public. So span, I'm not sure about spans, about handling spans. Yet, but we'll get to it, I guess. Once we do a language server layer. So yeah, and when I say language server, I might not mean a regular LSP, a regular language server, but it's gonna be similar because, well, what does a language server do? Well, it provides you with information about the language. I mean, not about the language, about the program written in the language. So yeah, it can be useful if you want to, well, I can do 7 words. I can do 4 words. Well, that's just. Well, I mean, if you want like a real description, I mean, I had a readme. All of this is pretty much like outdated. Where do you have outdated label? I don't have an outdated label. Uh, I mean, I was going to say like it's impossible to describe it or something like that. Dated. Everything below is outdated. Here. So, and why they actually remove this? So yeah, we have goals, and well, based on those goals, Orco really is an interface between languages and backends. And when I say an interface between languages and backends, I not only mean that languages can talk to backends and well, maybe backends can talk to languages. I also mean languages can talk to each other, and I mean not that backends can talk to each other, but I guess you get it. So yeah, we'll see what it turns into. But basically, it's an interface, and it always has been. It like I never really was gonna make an Orco a language, even though I did. But it wasn't a language; it was an intermediate representation, so that it's easier to talk, to communicate between everything. But now I'm thinking about an interface. Yeah. The outdated goal. There's no goal that Orco is an intermediate IR. Like Orco was an IR, but like there's no point in IR. Maybe there is. Cause well, we have a lot of IRs already. We have crane lift IRs. We have backend IRs. We have front-end IRs. Rust has like 5 different kinds of IRs. Well, it has an AST. Let's count. Then it has HAR, which we do when we do lowering. Then we have MIR. Hold on. Before we lower to MIR, it actually gets converted to THAR, which is funny. And then like it gets converted. I don't know what. So MIR is already blocks, basic blocks. Then it gets converted to LLVM or crane lift IR. I'm pretty sure, depending on the backend chosen. So yeah, there are enough ARs, and Vig has its own AAR, other stuff. So maybe I was trying to remove any unnecessary layers, but sometimes it might be just easier. So this time I'm experimenting with having actually interfaces and where they need to be. Okay, so operator. So I need to get the operator function. Type. We have a type. Type. We have 8 minutes. Do we have a unit here? Huh? Probably have a tuple here. Yeah, we have a tuple here, and we don't have a unit. Actually, I can do a tuple right here, right now, and it's like vec of a type, because it's not gonna compile without that. Let's do. Let's see. Okay, so let's do a tuple, and we'll do pass pointer tuple. So why is it typed? It should be self, and this should be self. Tuple. So we have tuple lms iter map TY. Oh, I do need to pass context ideally here. So TY, type. Yeah, I should probably to parse public type, public function parse, and oh yeah, types are difficult. Types are difficult. Okay, so a value, we have context, mutable context, import create context, and I'm not actually gonna be using it. Well, actually, I'm gonna be using it in recursion. And it's probably gonna warn me. CTX and TY type parse CTX TY. And then call like that. Okay. Well, it didn't complain about it, which is interesting. So I'm gonna silence some warnings here. Okay, so here, yeah, a lot of problems now. Type parse, and we'll need to pass in stuff here. Well, that's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of work. Full signature. Eh. Public function parse. TX meeting context. Now type parse CTX, and now I can remove into. Scene return type default is gonna be type unit. I am gonna create this function, and can I actually reference a box here? Yes, I can. I think generate unit function. Fan unit type double back here. The trade bound is not satisfied. Okay, so let's do type parse CTX reference to TY like that. Now I should be good with types. Oh well, okay, let's do for body in this insert bodies, because there is actually stuff to resolve in bodies. Oh, we need context for resolution. Okay, so we need context. Let's just go to main. So here we have parse file. Now I can do resolve with context. Oh wait, that's messed up. Well, I don't know how to do it. How to do this? Let the suffering begin now. Fortunately. So I should like start adding async async stuff. Like ideally I'd have typed handle map be asynchronous. So Rust async map or indexed vec. Like Rust compiler under the hood uses indexed vec. And by async I mean non-blocking or thread safe. Thread safe. Oh, this looks interesting. Transfer key appears allowed to be in many valid states. Transfer. Deleted directly from the table, but can be cleaned up in a certain way. Huh? Put if match? What? Why are you doing Rust C stuff? And I did just press Control instead of Shift, and I do this very often. Rust thread safe index to back. In Rust you don't have to worry whether type is thread safe or not, because type checking system does that for you. Type system does it for you. Where I need a non-blocking vector, or like the vector that works in multiple threads without mutexes. So basically an atomic vector. Graph. Oh, that's scary. Why? why is there a graph? Just atomic vector. Atomic data vector. The overlaps between threads. Split it and stuff. I did this again. There was immutable elements which has weight-free reads. Ah, that's insane. Oh, and you wrote it. Atomic array. Atomic bool array, atomic size array, atomic option ref array. Of reference, which elements may be updated and retrieved atomically. Atomic ref array. Okay, what is this? New with a lens. New with a function. Lens is empty. Load. Why does it return an async reference counted of T? Load, store, and swap. I mean, I can do looks like a vector of looks, not similar. I guess I could do indexed vec here, or typed handle map. That is, so typed handle map is sync, but like access to it can be async. So get is so like when I'm inserting it, I need it to be mutable, and when I'm getting it, it's like another state. So here the value is gonna be a lock. A lock, which one? Which lock? Good question. Which lock? Do I need a lock in case of a function? Well, I do, I guess, because path. I guess an RW lock. This thing is always hard. I'm just gonna import that privately because I'm gonna use this type a few times here. Now, if body is locked, so yeah, one body at a time. I think that's fine. Double lock. Like now, splitting your code into functions speeds up compilation time because those functions can be compiled in parallel. Or wlock is not clonable. I hate this. Why? Pressing wrong keys. This Rust clone wlock. That's annoying. Like why? I mean, I guess sure. The IR doesn't have to be clonable. The whole thing, because makes sense. Each of those should be clonable though. It's not for one specific reason, because when you clone, you need to lock the RW lock, and that's like against Rust. So, well, when you clone it, you don't even think that it's gonna lock it, and if it fails to lock, where would it put the result? Where would it put the error? Okay, so resolve is gonna take immutable self and HIR. Oh wait, and context. So context, or CTX. Import grid context. Why did it insert here? Okay, so body resolve. So this is gonna be iter and body lock. Try just write unwrap resolve context. Okay, so we do bodies, and ideally I can, well, ideally, I guess I can just do rayon here, right now, at this point already. And actually, like, why not? So that, because like, if we design from the start with async, it's gonna be easier. So let's do bar iter. I don't quite remember how you do this. Rayon. That's not the rayon I need. Rust rayon. I need to import a trait. It's gonna add the function to an iterator. Actually, this thing might not implement parallel iterator. The parallel iterator. In the process of making your language, you will make the best parser combinator library for Rust. Why are you using parser combinator again? Rust handy. Okay, so handy might have a dependency, might not have a dependency. Okay, I guess. This is implemented for like built-in types, similar to vector, etc. For actually, it's implemented for a lot of stuff. It might even be implemented for like irregular inter. No, it's not. It's pressing the wrong keys. Just quickly, and you'll take some time to learn how to code the recursive descent parser. I mean, recursive descent parser, it's easy to code, but it takes a lot of time. Well, I mean, like it gives you, if you want to handle errors properly, it's gonna take a lot of time, regardless of what parser you take. And if you don't care about errors, like with the recursive descent parser, it's just gonna be more annoying to write because you see where you miss an opportunity to report an error. But it's gonna take the same amount of time, if not faster. Derive an index. What? For each. I wanna see implementations. Actually, I can see here. Dynamic compatibility, provided methods. Where are the implementations? Structs, demonstrates. Oh wait, not reading the right page, huh? No, that's right. On all parallel iterators. Walk 3, repeat. So this is implemented for built-in stuff. For Rayon collections. Oh, so Rayon has collections. That's interesting. Rayon collections. Oh wait. No, I'm not used to searching this way. P3 map, hash set, vecdeck, hash map. Well, that's iterators, are they? They are. Okay, so parallel iterator is implemented for. It's implemented for a lot of stuff. Okay, so I need a type. Rayon index spec. Is it indexed vec? Rust indexed vec or index vec? Rust index vec. Great.io. Index vec. So simplified copy. Oh my god. Macros, why? Well, I don't care. I need Rayon stuff. I needed to work with Rayon. I don't know where to find one. I don't want to implement it myself. Nor even just bound trades together. New type indices. Drive index, node ID, double linked list, index vec, node ID, node T. Enums as indices. Well, that's useful index slice, but the question is, will it work with Rayon? All dependencies. Hopefully Rayon with Rayon. Fortunately, there's no Rayon here, which I assume it's not gonna work with Rayon. Then give me GitHub. This isn't even a thing here. Well, this is updated, so it's not in crates anymore, I guess. Oh, that's like an underrated crate. Should I just fire an issue for Rayon integration? Rayon. It is being indexed right now, but it says I didn't match. Pull requests. But that's bump index map. I can take a look at index. No, not index slice. Actually, it's like I need iterator stuff. Iter enumerated. Is there a core slice work time? I don't wanna do this core slice. To keep all of your cores busy. Fork Rayon? No! What do you mean? Why would I fork Rayon? Like, I could fork this library and add Rayon support, but not fork Rayon and add the library support. That's gonna be dumb. I wish I could, like, I mean, I can open docs and see if I can get like a slice out of it. Alright, I immediately went into sources. Okay, so let's say index vec. Doubly linked list underneath stores a vector. Wow. Well, that's useful. I mean, I guess it could be. Index lend index vec. So index vec new stuff, reserve stuff. A lock crate feature. So it can be without a lock. That's great. That's cool. Iter enumerated. Get disjoint unchecked. Get mute as slice. Extend, deserialize, deref, etc. Okay, so it derefs into a slice, and that has iters. Oh, and that has a slice. Now I guess I can do this. So I can do index land. And I know, I know, we have been doing this a lot. Cargo toml. Not this one. Cargo toml. I did this again. This one. So we have crane lift, we have handy. Instead, I'm gonna put index land here and rayon here. Now. So function handle. Give me the example. New type indices. So I'm gonna do this. Hold on. Like that. Now I'm gonna do struct gonna hold use size, derive idx, and also oops, also now I can do, instead of handle I can rename it to id and body id. Now I can do index vec. So we have index and type. So I mean index and value type, function ID here, and here we're gonna have index vec for body ID. Iter, or actually slice should return a slice and then par iter into parallel ref iterator. Wow. So parallel iterator, I can even do a mutable one. That's cool, but I can't because context. But street bounds were not satisfied, which is required. Ref iterator required by this into parallel ref iterator. Okay, I don't quite understand. Can you give me Karguran? Can you tell me what happens? What's happening? At 112 crates already. Okay, that's a lot worse, which makes sense because we just replaced the core part in function, for example. Function. Now we have body ID right. Oh wait, right all. Makes sense. Now I can rerun the build, which is still have a lot of errors. Cool stuff. Mismatched types. Parallel iterator, but street bounds are not satisfied. This thing which is required by this thing which is required by this thing. Okay, so let's go to create root and see what's up. Parallel iterators make it easy to construction iterators. Okay, so input.parator. I have a slice. And so why is it not working? Like this returns a slice, right? Now parallel iterator, for whatever reason, into parallel ref iterator. I should probably import ray and prelude instead. But trade bounds were not satisfied again. I don't see. I don't understand. So it's implemented for. Or wait, where's the parallel iterator itself? Or actually treat. So we have a parallel iterator trait. And we have into parallel iterator trait. Into par. So let's do par iter. Search for this. Into parallel ref iterator. So yeah, that's what I need. Required methods. So this is into parallel ref iterator. What is it implemented for? For I which Oh, this implements into parallel iterator. Into parallel iterator is implemented for this. What? What am I looking at? K, K, JK, up to K. No, up to L. What is this? Okay, sure. For maps, for option, into parallel iterator for mutable slice for a reference, for a regular slice of T, where T is sync. So, why didn't it tell me about the sync part? I mean, I should have known, but aren't my types sync anyway? Iterator, what is it? Parameter exists for reference, but its trademark word was satisfied. So this thing into parallel iterator. By into parallel iterator is for whatever reason parameter. Sync. RW log sync rust. First step hack compiler, second step hack the world, third and last step rule the world and make it a better place. Hi. Scared to mispronounce your name. Thank you for the follow. So yeah, I do often miss send and sync, mix up send and sync. T represents the data the slogs protects. It is required that T satisfies send to be shared across threads and sync to allow concurrent access through readers. The RAI guards turns from the locking methods, implement deref and deref mute, etc. Does T have to be sync? Wait, I'm doing wrong stuff. Impulse sync. First step must exist for type but three bounds. We're not satisfied. Sync. So sync was not found. So T is send, T is send and sync for sync. So when T is sync, bonus hidden step. Only when you get to it you figure it out. Thread sync. Types for which it is safe to share references between threads. It is safe to share references between threads for my types, right? It is safe to share function, which has a path, a signature, and a body ID, which all are just regular like types. Why is it not safe? T and mute T are sync if and only if T is sync. Mutable T is send. If okay, so reference T is send if T is sync. Mutable reference T is send if T is send. T and mutable T are sync if T is sync. Makes sense. But I did this again, oh my god. Like, why? Okay, if I just do a regular, like a slice, no, what's the right type of parentheses or brackets or braces, whatever. So iter is not well, now it's not complaining. Why can I type b not send? Okay, let's go to main and let x so we'll do a reference of dynamic sync equals function. So let's do okay, hold on. Let's do x and y. So x is gonna be reference of a function. X is gonna be a function equals to do qualify the chair function, and now y is gonna be a reference to x. RC. Oh, what? I have RC somewhere, and it's not just RC. It's like pretty much a type that's specifically here to prevent me sending and sending stuff. Why? It's path. Oh, it's idents. And ident holds a span. I see here. So this might be something. If we dig a little deeper, yes, it is. But proc macro span is not. Why? I hate you. I hate you. Okay, I don't even care. I'm just gonna replace it with like which one? Yet span. Source span. I don't care. Now, mean. Now it is sync. Is it send? It is send, which I guess. I mean, I'm not sure because there are a lot of errors, and like errors might block other errors. Push. So push get ID. Well, obviously. So here and here I'm gonna push get ID. Expected RW log, so we're gonna do into, and here we can do into. And I can do signature parse ctx this thing, qualify the signature once. Okay, signature, let's do let signature is this signature body, then signature. Okay. Oh no, why are you still complaining? Why are you still complaining? Here, cargo run. Can I do the whole thing? It's not gonna help, but maybe. So we have a call.rs, which, yeah, I should still rename to operator. So let me do here, and let me do expression mode. Let me rename the module to operator. Now Interner. It's angry at the interner. So value span dot byte range dot into should be it. No. Whole site. That's cheaty. Well, actually, I should be able to do like source span, or actually like so 0 to value len in bytes. Yeah. No, that's what I want right now. Fancy F. Char's count 3. So yeah, Rust has UTF-8 support, Nigel. No, Rust. You can see it here. Rust has UTF-8 support because it has a char iterator and can handle char boundaries. Into on the expression to convert into. I guess I need to wrap it, and I should have like used quick fix or whatever it's called. Call site, etc. So this should do one error. No, it's not one error, because a lot of stuff here. Parallel iterator EM backend modules. Well, I still need to fix a parallel iterator. Like, why? Why are you angry at me? Into parallel iterator. Reference data is so reference O to I. Into parallel iterator, which should be implemented into impl I or lifetime I lifetime data I lifetime data etc. Into parallel iterator. Why is it not into parallel iterator for T, where T is a parallel iterator? Oh, that's not true here. We need an into parallel iterator on the slice. You don't like the opaque abstraction of chars and char indices. That's experimental. Well, experiments do come to like the end. Oh my god, LEG, whatever. Where's the implementation? I don't see the impl. I mean, it says it's here for interparallel iterators for mutable, and here, right here, it's for a regular one. It's for mutable send, for a mutable sync. I don't get it. Why doesn't it work? So where did the music go? Ah, it's here. It's just silent. So I don't know why. I don't know why. He's just angry at me. I guess let's fix all other errors first, because I have no clue what to do with it. Iter enumerated here and iter enumerated here. Okay. Now rw log. So let function read unwrap unwrap. So body. I can also do this. So yeah, now we don't need it mutable here. And like one last error is gonna be actually few last errors. Just 3. So this one, which I have no clue what to do with. Backend models unit. So here TL API param. Well, actually, like convert type. Oh, and here we have if unit. This is gonna be vector. Let's do vector of API params. So this is gonna be back of this. So basically we're gonna be flattening this thing. We're gonna have tuple items iter map self convert type this is gonna be param. Actually, can I pass self convert type in here like that? Method, not a field. Okay, so let's do ty now flatten and then collect. Now this I add flatten on top. Now unit. Unit. Well, as flatten, I'm still not sure about it, to be honest. So here I can just do convert type, and it's gonna do all everything for me. That's nice. So we're gonna be figuring out how to do like actual values in crane lift. Cause yeah, this will be useful. Like not just how to do values. I know how to do values, stack frames, but how to pass values. Values that are bigger than pointer or int 128. Anyway, unit type. So yeah, that's pretty sure that's all done. Like literals left and warnings and parallel iterator. I don't know why. He's just angry at me. The god of parallel iterating is angry at me. Well, if I don't know. Shouldn't be reference. Huh? Why? Self bodies as slice. So this is for now. Expar iter. Like it even shows up here. for each. So body and this. No, it's gonna be angry. So this is a slice of RW log of a body. No, why is it not a parallel iterator? Iterator. So is this implemented? So underscore. Oh, this stuff must be specified. Item and iter. Actually, like, no. I don't know. I have no idea what to do in line variable. Guess let's just Google it and get a new error. The method is succeeds but read values were not satisfied. Like, it's a slice of RW logs, so there's no point. So I'm gonna do parallel iterator specifically. So this map Latin to parameter. Well, this makes sense because there's no like, this is a regular iterator. This is a regular iterator, and so this is the this is the regular iterator especially, and you're trying to convert a regular iterator into a parallel iterator. Now you need to do parallel map or something here instead, or actually like on the range you do parallel iter. Parallel iterator. You can with parallel breach. It's generally going to be slow. Put in. Yeah, I said that. It's not helping me though. Maybe I can do into here. Like a slice returns a slice. Trace bounds were not satisfied. Why? They are satisfied. Bounds were satisfied. Double ref. So this is parallel iterator. Mutable reference. This is sized. Oh, what is this? Like, why? Rayon parallel iterator on generic slice. Well, I mean, not generic, but just using sync bound. I do have sync. Like, is the body not sync? I mean, I haven't actually checked the body. It might be. It's probably literal, and literal might be. No. No, don't say that. Don't tell me that literal is not sync. It's gonna be so annoying. Scene developers, I hate you for this, if it's true. Let's do our check. Let x equals and like the fact that it's so hard to check is on Rust. So sync is which one? So to do. Wait. So this first of all we do body, which is an HIR body let y equals, which is reference to dynamic sync equals x, reference to x. To do macro, and now yes, that's annoying. That is insanely annoying. That's like why? And I know those notes are just infinitely long. Proc macro bridge symbol. So that's why. So we've got the whole stack trace here. Proc macro span. That's why. Oh, that's in block. Hold on. That's in this block. Span contents qualifies me yet. Oh, it's span source span. that byte range into. Now this is okay, so this seems good. Now this should this isn't. Oh no. So it's still span. It's inside literals. I hate it. Why? 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 Literal. I guess I have to make it like manually. Num literal from scene lead. So I hate why. Don't care. It's gonna be int. Int is gonna it's just gonna have like what. So there's suffix span, which why? Why is span not sync in the first place? That's why. That's like that's the question. So wrapper, didn't wrapper, token literal digit suffix. That's a deep thingy. Impl literal public function parse etx mute context. Like actually I don't need mutable context here. I mean actually I might probably don't need it to be mutable anymore. Import create context, and that's not a split I would like to have. I mean a merge. So self. So let's do much on value. To do, and int is gonna be self int based on digits parse, and now I'm gonna have u128 here. expect? Mid invalid int literal. I'm gonna do expect because it's not an actual like error. It's error inside of scene, which scene doesn't give stuff like that. So I can match self here now. This is clonable, debuggable. I can even do QQ partial dot hash. I can probably do that. No. No. Int value. Builder 0 ints I const CL create backend CL types I 128. Well, actually I64 or actually I32 self, or actually self value as I64 because that's what Crane Lift does. Now I do want this be do all of this. Let me do value here and like general code cleanup. So context unused. Context gonna be immutable. So context has an HAR. Also has a path, a current path, and the diagnostic context. Actually, I can't have it immutable. I must have it immutable because current path. And okay, that's suffering on my face, because that's wrong. We'll figure it out later. I need to look at Rust compiler. Literal parse CTX literal lit. I can even do clone, but I'm not gonna do clone. I'm gonna do ref. Into. So yeah, we'll need to do a bit of code cleanup at some point, and I think I should do some now. Also, this gonna be cool. I want to rename some of those. So it's gonna be block. Huh? Just renaming broke it? What? Oh, I know why. I'm gonna keep it value here. No warnings. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Now let's see. This should theoretically. Okay, no resolve on no create card of body because body doesn't have resolve. JR moderate, but that's fine. And where's the body? Oh, it's an expression. So public function resolve self CTX context. So this should compile now. I mean, it shouldn't run, but it should compile. Yeah, not implemented. Main rs line 95 is actually. Oh, it actually worked. It's just that I have left this because we haven't changed the code, so it's fine. We haven't used any new features. 42, let's go. But why did it print it actually? Oh, hold on. Have I not removed the print? Oh, I haven't removed the print, right? Okay, let's do meet dash m change to index spec. Hold on, is it index spec or index spec? Ah, spec. I think it's index. Yeah, git push. Now, am I still live? Just in case, because it's been a bit. How much time? How long was? Oh, just 2 hours. I feel like I feel like I've suffered for a bit more than 2 hours. Because I should probably do an announcement again. I mean, here, and I might need to actually log in. I don't really have to. Let's search. Like, I wanna get this game. I wanna get this game and play it on stream. $10, that's a lot for me, but again, this. I always wanted to play this game. Release date October 2021, and it's still early access. And you know, it's puzzle game, early, etc. Feedback, etc. Or 2 years ago. No, you're up to date. I don't even care. To complete 2.0 stats update February 24. 2.0 stats update. Holding out on writing new post till 2.0 patch was finished. Has been too long, so here's the status update. Oh, we can play the 2.0 alpha already, so this is complete that wiki. So yeah, I'm gonna buy this at some point on stream. New assembler. Ah. Okay, give me. I press this again. Shouldn't do that. Here. So 2 years has been like you making an update on this. Interface, audio, subtitles. So yeah, I'm gonna buy this on stream and play this on stream at some point. Probably like within a month or something. Anyway, I always wanted to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that as well. Also, I'm gonna install a thing that shows keys you type and forget to turn it off doing this, as I did once on stream. You might even be able to find a VOD where it leaks my password. I'm pretty sure I have deleted it, or I haven't even had VODs back then. Yeah, I probably haven't even had VOD back then, because every time I do something like that I delete the VOD, but well, that was fun. Ah, tears go away. Delete. It's not helping. Like, when Siri bans them, the message doesn't disappear for me on the overlay. So don't look at it. Cover cover it with my cursor. Ah, too late. Okay, so we've got parallel iteration going. Now let's actually do resolving part, except that I hate context. I hate context as it is right now because it's everything and it's bad. Uh, So path, for the path. Okay, so context could have HAR, right? Because when we're doing uh, type resolution, whatever type inference, we do need HAR reference. Not only HAR reference, we need something more than HAR. But I don't know where to get this more. Where to get this thing. I wanted to Google something. So yeah, I'm gonna move the path out. Oh, and so I wanted to close all of that. Find Rust C book. I don't know. Development. Just keywords. Rust C compiler development guide. Let's see that. So here we have mobile phones scheduled for pings. That's not what I need, but definitely in Rust development in Rusty development guide there is about the compiler, like internals, source code representation, HAR, THAR, as you can see, typed high level IR. Why? Why do you have that many IRs? I'm gonna do better. Storage. Why do you have a chapter on inline assembly for whatever reason? The HAR map. So we have type context, TY context. Or TY stands for not for types, I think. Page loads. Serena says how this various compiler queries. Global context, so it's a global context. What into TLS, huh? What's a TLS? Okay, so I guess I could see fields, arena, internals, session, create types, dependency graph, whatever else. A lot of stuff. So yeah, in HAR, I don't know about HAR. I guess I'm actually gonna get rid of it here and like only keep diagnostic context. You know, like HAR now has immutable access. So diagnostic context. It has mutable cell. So I need a vector that's lockable. So you know how vector.push not always resizes the vector? What if we could make a look free vector this way? I mean, probably no. So mutex here would, or rw lock here. Actually, mutex here. Like, this is not gonna be read often. In fact, this is gonna be read like once in lifetime here in the emit. Except like the time where you actually push stuff. So we're gonna import standard mutex. Tick. Let's do into. Can I do into? Oh wait, it's not like that. It's lock unwrap. Do lock unwrap. It literally saves me to unwrap presents, right? Now. Now, this has mutable self. Since I have mutable self, can I get the lock? Oh, wait, I put lock on the wrong thing. Get mute. Oh, and it's poison error. So I can do get mute here instead of locking it. And here I do regular self. Oh my god. Because no reason for mutability. Some mutable self here. Mismatch types, extract. Mutable reference. Get is it like get mute? Can I get the value? Can I take the value? Oh, into inner. Into inner. That's what I need. I don't need mutable self here anymore. Okay. Now this is lock free or like safe to work with in different contexts. So paths, yeah, paths are a bit annoying. So HAR maybe should like pass file. Okay, so during parsing HAR is not gonna be available. So I'm gonna do this. File path and mod path. Which is gonna be path. It's gonna be a regular path, or it's gonna be a reference, probably a reference, cause why not? Expected what? Oh, HAR here. Qualify as HAR path. I should probably move this into HAR by the way. Since I have all the parsing there already. HAR, so I'll have a parse file which takes context. Hi, Angel God Apollyon. Sorry if I mispronounced the last word of your name. Specific. So let's do context here. Share context. So Apollyon. Right? I said that. Mod pass here. Okay. Oh my god, a lot of red. Some replace pass, single pass. Actually, not like that. Back. So actually this should probably take pass and even make mutable. Or actually maybe it should like I think that's good actually. Mod pass. So I'm gonna push a segment onto it. An intent. Pass push, pass push, pass push. Pass push ident. Now, this is a function. Now, if main hard code to single ident, move the HIR prefix, else mod pass. And ideally I would not move it. But actually no, I would clone it because this is for sure gonna be moved. I know that. So signature parse, body new, block parse. Now HAR insert, or actually push get ID. Now functions push get ID. Now we put in a function which path. So now I can skip the clone and just put path here, which is awesome. No, I don't need to even do that. I can just do mod path pop and other items to do. Now, public. Make this function public. Maybe I could put it on context. I mean, there's no point in that, or maybe I could put it on HIR as well. Because this just takes all of this, and placing either of those by self, no point, but maybe. Like, how would it make more sense? Context parse file or HIR parse file? Mute context. HAR be this. So this HAR context. We do diagnostics. So let's HAR be this. Now mute context, mute HAR file and path. Here. Oh, this. Now I can do qualify. Oh, Sin also has parse file, which is funny. Now I should be able to do this. HAR is not a unit type. Oh, this is extra. I don't need that. Now I can get rid of those two and this one and make it mutable. Now it should work, and I feel like this is C-style, a bit of C-style. No context and create. Yeah, that's right. Use create context. Yeah, it'd be super context. Where am I? Oh wait, I don't even need to use it here. Right, use create context. In its UI, super context and expression mode, super context and literal create. Well, again, super context, and I can just replace it by super context. No, I did not know I could do that. Super. I wish I could like find and replace everywhere, but I guess it's fine. Okay, now this should compile. Yes, it does. What did I do for a commit message? What did I actually do? I moved context out. That's it. I don't think I even need context during parsing stages. Like parsing and parsing. That's it. So I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I do need a path though, which is important. So I'm gonna put in this and path as well as a reference, so it's not eating a lot of memory and time. Path. So here instead of super context I can do super path, or it's actually like create HIR path. Here I have super expression. I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna qualify the path. Qualify as create HIR path. Now, expression parse. Any physical difference between a reference and a pointer? In Rust, well, in any language, it's just syntactic sugar. In C++, reference is a syntactic sugar for a pointer, and C only has pointers, and in Rust, well, reference is the default thing. I guess it's inspired by C++ because pointers in C++ are unsafe, are more unsafe than references, because references can't really be invalid. And so Rust just takes this, but kind of mixes them up, and now pointers are just unsafe references, and references are just safe version of pointers. But no physical difference between a reference and pointer and a usize, actually. I mean, it's stored differently in compiler AR if you mean this is physical, a physical difference. Pass. Okay, let's do expression that takes path. Modify the method. Instead of context, this is gonna take path. HAR path. Because this is gonna be useful for like in function declarations. I know. I'm messing this up. I'm gonna fix them. Phone pass, because it was supposed to be a reference. Arguments to this function are incorrect because, well, no, I don't need context. Expression parse, context call function, yeah. I need to do pass here. Context argument path, instead of that. No. Builder, yeah, those warnings. Can I just silence them so I feel better? Literal parse, no, literal need context. I don't need path here, to be honest. Can literal be a macro, actually? No, literal can't be a macro. An expression can be a macro. And you know, yeah, that's a thing. I'm gonna have to do macro stuff at some point. Right now I'm kind of moving slowly. But look, we don't even have GCC here now. And it compiles. Let me just remove some unused imports and other things like that. Unused variable context and resolve and operator rs. This is private. Should this be public? Maybe it should. No. Where do we have the resolve part? Here we have a resolve part. Body resolve here. Buffer close others. No. Cargo lib. This should complain about a lot of stuff. Yes, it does. Function rs. Which one? The HAR one. Receiver. Well, I mean, this. No. Unused variable context in here. For now, you know, so that I can see warnings. Parse. I'm gonna to do this as well. Well, actually, no, I'm not gonna to do this because I wanted to run. Implementation of partial compare on an order type. That's true. I remember mentioning that, but it didn't warn me because no clippy. Sum of self compare. Other parameters zone is and I mean, actually, you know what? What was that? Internal rs. Sum of self compare. I'm gonna silence it differently because I am doing delegates. Allow clippy partial word implementation. Self name parent only used in recursion parse tyrs. Oh my god, parse still has context. Nah, I don't even need pass here, and this is gonna be ty instead of value. Okay, self parse, type parse. Now we can just do this theoretically, right? Right. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and it even did errors. Function rs. Now I need to fix those errors to see more warnings. That's the thing, right? No, also this value. I should probably call it signature instead. Signature. No, this should be it, I think. Oh, and context for the renaming stuff. Can remove that. Clippy mod rs. It's always good to do some code cleanup. Some code cleanup. Okay. Now we can actually see warnings. Oh, and still errors are there. Mutable self. Oh no. Oh no. Again. I mean. share model s. Sorry. Find signature identifier to string. Here, remove this method. Theoretically should work. Backend model s. Why didn't this show up earlier? Backend model s. Right. Line 69. Flat map. Parameters only used in recursion. Self is only used in recursion. Well, I know that's true, but wow. Yeah. I mean, I know I can convert it to like this thing, and it's gonna be self : convert signature or convert type. Self. I think that's what I had before. Wait, convert signature, yeah, convert signature and convert type. To need self. It's even mutable here. It's gonna be self : convert type, and it's gonna be even easier actually. Type. Self convert signature. It's gonna be self like that, and this should be about it. Flatten. Okay, now it should be like one error, and that's it. And I have actually no idea how to fix this error. Oh no, redundant closure. Model s and backend. Line 76. Self-convert type. No, diagnostic. So yeah, I kinda relied on this because this is easy, this is simple, but yes. I mean, I can try to do something like struct diagnostic builder, like it's like the conventional one. It's gonna have the type, which is diagnostic, or actually it's type unrestricted. That's unrestricted. Keep it unrestricted. So it's gonna have a deref and deref mute on T. And it's gonna borrow diagnostic context. Now time A. Now impl. So make this public. So I'm gonna do impl deref. What's that? Stable placeholder, huh? stdops deref for diagnostic builder T anonymous lifetime impl of T. And the target is gonna be it's gonna be T. It's gonna be self 0. Oh no, this is gonna be diagnostic builder T. Now I'm gonna do deref mute as well, and you probably know already what I'm going to do with this. deref mute for That's a that's a semicolon. Diagnostic builder anonymous lifetime and type T. Implement ref mute self 0. Now last thing is impl T std ops drop for diagnostic builder, and now you for sure know what I want to do. So self 1 diagnostics lock unwrap push self 0, something like that. Dot box. Hold on. That's not how we box types. That's how we box types. Like that. Oh no, it's in green. Oh, and T is diagnostic here. You know, like it doesn't have a drop. I'm gonna restrict T or everywhere actually, because otherwise there's no point. Actually, no. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that. Well, no. I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Cannot move out self. Oh no. Drop. Why does drop take mutable self? Okay, I'm gonna wrap it into option. Like, why doesn't drop take self? I mean, I know why, but like, still unwrap. Oh, I know, because that's it's gonna be dropped. It would take an actual value. As mute, so here's mute, and here we'll do as ref. I mean, it shouldn't be that bad. Now drops gonna be we're gonna gonna unwrap. You will meet required lifetime. And static. Drop requires T static, but the struct doesn't know it. Okay, let's do that. As well. Now I should be able to just so it returns a diagnostic builder of that. Now this should just do diagnostic builder of diagnostic and self. Sum of diagnostic. Oh, and it's boxed. Actually, you know what? Since it's boxed, I might as well box it here. And now I don't even have to box it here. Oh no, it doesn't have to be mutable. And this should work, I think. It does. Let's see if it actually runs. It should. And let's go to simple rs and put something that seems not gonna like. Like that here. Unexpected token, expected semicolon, and it does still like try to compile, but it's not gonna be able to, because, well, yeah, file is gone, should be gone at least. Now, git commit clean up push. And I have committed like 4 or 5 times during the stream, I'm pretty sure. 2.5 hours. I mean, it's 5:22. I should be ending here. It's also pretty cold. I do kind of have a bit more time. Okay, so let me see. So yeah, we've been trying to get there. Resolve, where's resolve in block, which is an expression more the rest, but we're still not there because, well, yeah, resolve. For that, we'll actually need to define some interfaces. So we need to define an interface for a library, binary, or an object. Like in Rust, it's called create. What's the alternative? Translation unit. But I mean, it's not gonna be translation unit. It's not necessarily gonna be translation unit module. Well, it's not gonna be a module necessarily. Well, actually, it might be a module, but it's gonna be confusing. So yeah, and that's where like the language server part comes in, because if we define an interface that every single module in every single language is gonna have to implement, we can build on top of this interface to provide diagnostics, error handling, diagnostics, error reporting, language server, and language interoperability. And then using that we can so we have this language server interface, and this interface is gonna like contain a way to request a build or whatever. Anyway, there's just gonna be a way to build it using an interface for the backend this time, which is right now just hard coded to CraneLift. I mean, I guess it's fine to be actually to be hard coded to one backend, but since we have a lot of interfaces, why not just continue? And as well, I really want to have a C backend which just transpiles to C, everything to C, because this is really useful. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna be ending here. I might stream tomorrow, whatever. No, I won't stream tomorrow, and I know that for sure. Oh, this is actually intuitive. No, it was my dream forever. Like, transpiling to C is useful. Why? Because every single platform on Earth in existence has a way to compile C to it. Like, if you go to a electronics shop and buy a microcontroller, I'm almost sure there's a way to compile C to it. There's a toolchain for C, for compiling C to it. Unless it's like, I don't know, AT Classic at not at Mega, AT Classic, whatever. They are not even sold anymore. Even AT Tiny, which has 20 bytes of RAM, has a C compiler for it. STM8s have C compilers. So that's fair. So yeah, but that's just gonna be one of the backends. I do want a native backend that's gonna be more useful. Also, we're pretty close to 128 followers. Next power of 2. Come on. I do have goals here. Goal amount 1. Oh wait, do I not have... Oh, do I not have a subscription goal? On... Luanti. Okay, fine. Let me just set up a subscription goal first. Because why not have it? Subscription. Let me get a microphone. I'm not gonna put anything in the description, I'm just gonna start it. Because it's a good idea. Also, I wanted to see follower goal. Yeah, I do have at 128 follower goal and beats as well. 128. You have, I don't even know. It's not first it's probably. Anyway, Luanti, what should I do? Like, you redeemed Luanti, what should I do there? Where is the category? Category Luanti. Server is back up. Server is back up. Yeah, it is back up. It should be at least. Map server is not though, and there is a good reason. I have checked actually. Quickly install Luanti on Arch. So yeah, there is a good reason because server is now 32-bit. i686. I have checked. That's was unleashed. I want mine. Or maybe, I mean, we could actually go to Force Unleashed, but that's Nigel's choice. No, I'm gonna be right back. Done already. Okay, so what what should we do? Should I get in? Force Unleashed, by the way, also has a Luanti server, and I suggest you highly I highly suggest you check it out. Because I mean it's pretty cool. I haven't got to advance on it much, but yeah, it seems really cool. It seems like a Minecraft clone. Also, it's coming. Why am I repeating words so many times? Somebody just watching me and see, am I going insane? Why is this guy saying a thing again and again? Anyway, um, here's the it's an address. It's actually subdomain. It's right there. And just in case you wanna play on Force Unleashed as well, at some point. So yeah, it's right there. Port obviously 30,000. Okay. Hold on. Should I join this as this guy? Only I remembered my passwords. I think no. I think you don't actually need to. Yeah, you don't need to do this. I haven't logged in as Orion, and it seems to go fine. So that means you don't need to register again, but you do need to download media again. I'm pretty sure. It's like I like how you're holding shift and I see the double quote here instead of a single quote. Like I actually don't know why they don't know media, because I have logged in as Infinite Coder to check that server is up and running. And recall commands to set time today. By the way, I've been playing a lot of Minecraft lately. To vanilla Minecraft. Signed in. Actually, not so vanilla, but I mean it is kind of vanilla. I have been playing that. Weekly. I'm yet to download media. Is stream suffering right now? No, it's actually surviving pretty well. The fact that I'm downloading media. I've streamed 4.8 gigabytes to Twitch. My internet provider for sure likes this. I mean, we're paying for. Did I hear what? No. TypeScript and Go? Wait, TypeScript compiler and Go? Wait, what? Why TypeScript compiler is not in... Oh wait, TypeScript compiler is not in TypeScript because TypeScript compiler has to compile TypeScript. Well, I mean, TypeScript compiler could be in TypeScript. Why not? TypeScript compiler is in TypeScript. What? What's the point? That's why it's slow. I mean, it wouldn't make sense to speed it up. Why haven't they done this before this guy made Doom with TypeScript types? It would have it probably would have taken like 1,000 times more, 1,000 times less time. Whatever. So yeah, if you didn't know, there's a guy who made Doom in TypeScript. Not just in TypeScript types. So you're running a TypeScript compiler, and once compilation is done, you have that video in watch later. So once compilation is done, you get the Doom screen. It's a pretty cool video. I suggest you watch that. I mean, well, actually, like so yeah, this video is like 6 minutes long, but he has a video explaining how he was fighting a bug. Well, that was fun. That was definitely fun. I really liked that video. He likes, and even if it seems like it's hard to understand, he did like a thing that allows him to snapshot the whole state at any given point of time from Chrome's WebAssembly thingy. Well, I shouldn't probably spoil it. So I guess you should just watch it. Anyway, 88%. Why is it taking so long? I remember it was faster. Oh, we're into Christmas winter lullaby. It's not winter here anymore. Media 95 for me. Just waiting. $97. Just initializing nodes. Oh, whatever. Come on. You finished your dinner in the time it took to download media. Oh my god. Why is this? Hold on, why is it so? It's first of all it's laggy. Second of all it's, by the way, 4 days uptime of uptime. So second of all it's I feel like cursor's too fast. Hold on, what are the settings? I can do this. It's not helping though. Wait, let me What? It's not stream that's lagging. Probably. Oh wait, no, it is stream that's lagging. What's taking my whole CPU? Huh? Hold on. What is taking my whole CPU? Pitop. Oh, you're joined the system, the OBS, Qt web engine. I see. Nigel passed out. What? Why have you passed out permanently? Oh. Well, you died. Don't worry, your stuff is here. Well, why is the sword so small? What is that? Also, this Christmas dude is not lags so much. Is it utilizing my GPU? If so, that's a terrible choice. You're at spawn? That is weird. Oh wait, there are settings here. General mouse, touchscreen, graphics. At what spawn? You're where you have spawned the first time, or where like the the old spawn is? Client server and developer options. Yes, this is like also this offhand thingy. Negative. Oh, negative 400. You're not lagging at least. Well, I am lagging. I don't know why. Maybe light or something. No. I mean, I have 2 instances of that, so maybe. I'm gonna close one and see if it's better. Okay, I'm gonna close both and see if it's better. I mean, I think it actually is. I think it actually is smoother. Oh, where am I? I don't see anything. Hold on, which button is to debug here? So you're at negative 400, so I need to go different way. Oh, it's this direction. Oh my god, I'm falling. Where am I? Hold on, what? Okay, so somehow I survived the fall, and well, that's interesting. Oh my god. Also, the fact that sugarcane here is just solid. It's kinda messing with me. Okay. Well, probably left click to it. Yay. What do we have here? What's the best tool? A shovel, I sword. Oh, that's... I should have said that this is loud. Also, I broke the dirt. Oh, it's I instead of E. Well, now I'm mixing that up. Well, I need to fuse the dirt now. It's lagging. Do I need a hoe? Yes, I do. That's what I need. I was like, what tool do you use here? I mean, it is... Ah! Hold on a moment. Actually, I think... Okay, I'm not gonna risk. Okay, now... Oh, wait, hold on. Okay. So apparently server crashed because of i3, which I have no idea why. So I used the echo on a block, and then it crashed because i3. Index null field. By the way, I do have an auto restart now, but I looked at logs. I mean, I actually wanted to try Sway at some point. So it might have not loaded yet. So I checked the log. I noticed that it's full of map servers, which I mean, map server is not running, so that's why. So I removed map server. Also, I have typed incorrect password, or actually a wrong one. So yeah, I removed map server and restarted server a few times. Doesn't matter why. So now it should be up. Oh, I placed this thing. Might be the reason. Hopefully it's not gonna... Okay, it's not gonna crash. Hooray. This button, this here, offhand, and now this, what's this here? What is this? Rice and cotton. Why do I have rice? Can I plant vanilla? I can plant vanilla. I shouldn't plant it. Legs, I mean. Also, why is water like so low level? Okay, so I do want to plant Holden, because... Hold on, what? I feel like that's not how it was supposed to be, but sure. Oh my god, this is laggy. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong keys. Ah. Sensitivity feels weird. I know your house is doing well because, well, that's where I was when I was shaking. I don't like the sound. So when I was checking the thing. Stick, I have to wait always on me. Oh, that's because Delta Glider. Signs, binoculars. Use with zoom key. So I always have zoom because I have binoculars, and I always have a map. No, that's not a map. Oh, how do I enable a mini map? Not B. It's V. Yeah, here. Because I have the right items. Now check. Yeah. Nigel. From this thing. Let me get back. I wanna take this with me. I guess I'm gonna remove it from my offhand until it's nighttime or something. It's actually surprisingly fun to just glide with a glider for far away. You didn't see? I did not. I don't know where you are. If I just look around, here you are. Ah, Nigel, replace us. There's one stair. Okay, I need to turn my head slowly till I find it. Oh, here. That's that's funny. See, I can zoom. On what? I wasn't testing anything. I was just like I just logged in so I just logged in to see if the server's up, and I spawned at your house. And your house is fine, so yeah, that's it. Alright. Oh, wait. I forgot the key. The right key. Like left mouse button versus right mouse button. Okay, now the loading speed is like, well. Even flying at night is fun, by the way. Like, I go above clouds. Fix the stair, sure. You should do that, definitely. So if I fly above clouds, with a light source, it's surprisingly easy at night. But yeah, and also I can look at the minimap to see, careful, to see what's below me. But chunks are not loading fast enough for my 35 speed. And also servers teleporting me back a lot because I'm flying fast. Also, am I falling? Oh no. Why did it unequip my thing? Well, also I don't have enough speed to go up. Come on. Get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. But I do like the sound. I've added the sound. I copied it from Minecraft. Okay, it should not speed up anymore. By the way, if you want to slow down, you probably can like click the glider twice to deactivate it and activate it again. Okay, I'm gonna move down a little bit. I don't like the chunks are loading very slowly. It's probably because because of the server being slow and i686. But I don't really have a choice. Maybe I'm gonna get my own server, like server equipment, like the something that has a graphics card, so I can train stuff, etc. And where I can run CI jobs, etc. My god, this is slow. By the way, bird there in the distance. Yeah, that's ow, that's problematic. Wait, it's left click to it. Also, I should not be looking at anything or else eating onto it. Say I have some plenty stairs. Ooh, you got the floor down here. Floor. How do you read this? Floor. Floor. So what is this? Why is flat work? I think I'm gonna be ending there. By the way, why can I look at this thing in it? That's weird. It's gonna be taking a while. Berries here. Fun fact, if I left click right now, he's gonna eat and take. Oh wait, the thing is full hunger. I can do this. I wonder why, like, it's never growing on those ones. Also, orange trees don't grow. I don't know why. So what are you doing? Are you eating my crops? Anyway, yeah, oh, I remember the fact that this is my mine. I never use this anymore. Probably repair the glider by the moon, but I guess that's gonna wait. So yeah, more events in the server probably are gonna be happening at some point. Probably. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to go. Even though I didn't really do anything here. Because I've got this thing, I don't even remember where. Put here. I put stuff here as trophies. Like fun stuff I find everywhere. Flower pot with cactus. What's large cactus seeding? What was this effect? Why is it black? Oh, what is that? Also seeds. Why do I see light like that? Also, where's my light source? Gosh, I can actually use. Ah, it disappeared. Sad. Hold on, I can't go through science as well. Oh, that's. Why are you being scared? It's cool. Also, okay. So this is It's iron. I don't think I need more iron, but I do definitely need more diamonds. Always. It might be hard to get down. Like with glider here on this maze. And I'm digging straight down. It's scary monsters. I'm never seen monsters here. How can I? Okay, good thing I did dig down. I should have a block. I do have a block of quartz. I'll put it here to dig stuff. So yeah, miss is good. More miss. So how do I? Oh wait. Oh, I forgot vein miner was installed. So yeah, those caves are actually pretty good to like work pretty good with paraglider mode because they're spacious and didn't work. Can I? Ow. I guess I should be more careful. I guess. I should also repair the glider. Well, that's why I have. Hold on. It repairs to full. Wow. Where? Where are you? The direction you're looking at. You know, it's hard to judge the direction. Oh. Where? Oh, Miss crystals. Where are you looking at? Oh, what is this? Jade. Huh? Oh, this stuff. Might even be your stuff. Just attacked you. What? Why is nobody attacking me? Wait, I pressed the wrong key. Miss. I guess I'm for you. Yeah. Where did you go? Down this cliff. Where? I hope I'm not gonna push you. I don't see anything. Ah. Well, that was scary. Ah. What was that? What are you laughing at? Yes, I wanna get this. It's so loud. It is. What was that? I don't know. This was the monster. Why can't I see it? Like, I see torch here. Like, I'm looking for stuff that's alive. And I see maze here. Which is like, there's a lot of maze. I just don't see it. I don't know. If that's a monster I can't see but it's gonna fight me, that's not. That was easy to get. Let's see. Where? Oh, I pressed the wrong key. I see couple. I don't see anything. Oh wait, something's there. Something flying. That's just a bat. I'm scared. You scared me. I was like going to attack you. Already. That's it? The bat? Oh, this. The slime? Oh, is this it? Wait. Should know it went somewhere. I'm gonna get the slime though. Oh wait, this thing doesn't have this thing doesn't have this thing. This thing doesn't have Is there on my left behind me? What? Where? Where you're pointing? Okay. This thing? Okay, you don't wanna go towards it. I'm gonna wanna see it, but I don't wanna go towards it. Okay, get me out. Where is the mine center? Here it is. I just need to go this direction. I'm not strong enough. It shoots fireballs, huh? I don't have strong enough armor to. Well, actually, like I mean, first of all, Minecraft's combat is better because creating and similar and recharging it is more fun. Second of all, Minecraft's combat is harder to me, especially skeletons. Really? Water acts like X-ray? Huh? Weird. Okay, let me put all of this. Hold on. Ladder. Give me my ladder back. So I'm gonna put all of this here. Also, hold on. It's not how you spell wool. I need to get one. Also, inventory management is surprisingly good. Like, you can scroll here. This is so useful. Minecraft doesn't have it. It's one of those things I noticed. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna be ending here. Try to take it straight and see. Get down. Oh wait, this air bubble. That's because light, dynamic lighting. Cool. Water bubbles? I don't remember them looking like that. I mean, they were probably here. But I don't remember them looking like that. Anyway. I guess I'm actually gonna be ending this stream because, well, that's more than 10 minutes. That's far more than 10 minutes, or whatever I promised in the reading. So yeah. I suggest you check out Force Unleashed server. I might actually just join and show it for a moment on the stream. Just advertise it a little bit. I mean, I'm pretty sure Force Unleashed doesn't need that much advertisement. But anyway, oh, so first of all, I'm Infinite Coder. Oh, and I don't remember my password. Might be this one. Hopefully it's this one, please. Oh, thank God. Oh my God. Because I don't think I even stored it anywhere. Pretending my passwords are more complex than they are. Well, I mean, they are pretty complex. Especially when I got to store them, now I'm not worried about losing them. I can just make something crazy. Yeah, don't worry that all my passwords are the same. Not worry about that all my passwords are the same, because they're not. They're all unique. Anyway, come on. Get me in. No, all my passwords are not the same, with spaces in between the words. Just kidding. I mean, space is actually a valid character, you know, and nobody really thinks about using it in the passwords. Not the same with spaces, with underscore and quotes. Don't forget the quotes. Hey, come on. Might actually not be up. No, I'm pretty sure it is. No, it might not be. Um, Alphonse Unleashed is up. Oh, that's a website, because there's also a website. Anyway, I suggest you check it out. Again, it's a pretty cool one. And I guess we'll be ending here. So yeah, next time we might do some stuff. We probably will do Orko. It probably will be like Runner seems something familiar. Or Twitch.tv here. See, I might buy Turing Complete on stream. I need to make sure I get all my credit card information first. You told Gleemaster to trade them. Oh, yay, 3 hours. Okay, let's see. You said he's searching text. Oh, yeah, I remember that. Now, actually, okay. So hold on. First of all, I kind of want to change the category so that I won't forget to do this next time. Software and game development. Second, I want to search, and I hate this browser thingy. I mean, it's pretty good, but sometimes it's annoying. TrustLink worth the effort to learn it. I mean, it is definitely. If you are a Rust developer, it is definitely worse. Okay, hold on. I want to search for compiler first, because maybe we'll find someone who does compiler development. And this did not work. Compiler. Compiler. Compilers. One tick. Kernel. Kernel. Feel kernel hacking in C code with me. This guy. What are you doing? I think I rated them, or at least consider that. TLS. Oh, that is fun. PCI network driver. Yeah, I definitely rated them at some point. Also, where's the sound? Oh, here's the sound.
And I think I kind of did it. It's 4, 8, 10.
Do you remember me rating them? I definitely did. He just ignored. I mean, maybe that's an accident, but I guess we'll just trade. Who did you say? Venner Sigma? Yeah, I'm just pronouncing the name. Carrot mode. Oh no. They will not ignore the rate. What are you streaming? Yeah, sure. If you want. Going to go now. Yes, they are. So we changed again. I don't know. No, since we started, I don't really care. Um. So yeah. Yes. Why is the bar glitching on my phone? Anyway, thank you for joining and goodbye.